Hi guys, welcome back to All Things Wholesome. This is a channel where we discuss all things that teaches about money sustainability. So today we'll be talking about the importance of saving money. So firstly, we'll define the concept of saving money. What is saving money? Saving money is a decision you take to put money away after you've spent on all your necessary expenses or any other types of consumptions that are necessary to you. You can save your money where it is going to be safe and easily accessible. So this could be a bank where you open a savings account. Nowadays there are investment apps that helps you save your money safely, or you can do it the old traditional way where you use a piggy bank. But that you can use that when you are saving for something that you want in the short term, not in the long term, because you are not getting any interest, you're not getting anything. Saving money is quite vital, and I recently see videos where they discourage people from saving money because of inflation. But I feel like before you can start with investing or risking your money somewhere, you should start by saving just for your financial security. That will give you peace of mind knowing that whatever happens, you'll still be okay, and you'll still be able to maintain your lifestyle in future if anything were to happen. I was taught at a very young age to save money by my mother. She shared the importance of saving money, and it was not until recently where I discovered that I have been saving, but not in a correct way. So what I would usually save money for a certain period, maybe from January to December, and then after that period I would take out my savings and spend it on whatever I want. So I realized that I was doing something right, which is saving, but I would end up with no savings at the end. So it was until recently this year where I discovered that I really need to change my approach to saving money. I realized that I needed different types of savings, which is what I'll be covering on my next video. So for now, I will be sharing 6 reasons why saving is important. So let's get to it. Saving money gives you financial security. Knowing that you have money saved gives you a peace of mind, because even if an unfortunate event can happen, you know that you'll be taken care of. One thing about money is that if you don't have it, you'll be forced to do things that goes against your values and your beliefs. You'll be desperate to do anything, and when that happens, anyone can take advantage of your desperation. So you don't want to be desperate, trust me. It's not good for your well-being. 2, saving money reduces your use of credit. When you have savings, you don't have to borrow money for whatever reason, and that means you get to keep most of your money because you are not paying down interest. So when you have no debt to pay, you get to keep 100% of your money, and you can decide what you want to do with that money. Having no debt also relieves stress because you are not worried about paying someone else. And there's a saying that goes like this. It says, the borrower becomes the slave to the lender. So we just have to think about that. If you have savings, you are no one's slave. 3, saving money gives you an opportunity to create wealth. Sometimes opportunity gets us when we least expect it. So when you have savings, you have the chance to grab the opportunity without hesitation. So let's say something happens as the pandemic happened. If you had savings during the pandemic, you were fortunate because you could buy assets at a low price, because during that time everything was down. The stock market was down, the interest rates were down. So if you had savings to grab the opportunity, now you would have watched your money double, if not triple, as things are getting back to normal. Some companies have recovered and their stock are going up. So if you had the money to grab the opportunity, I'm sure now you are enjoying the fruits of your sacrifice. You will always be prepared for any opportunity if you have saved. Number 4, saving money brings your dreams to reality. So for number 4, I'm just going to do a quick example. I watched this video here on YouTube. There's a lady called Lisa Nichols. She had a dream, and she knew that her dream needed money to come to life. So she started a savings account, and she named that savings account Funding My Dream. So she funded her dream for 3 years, living a frugal lifestyle. To cut the long story short, her business is now known throughout the world just because she was willing to save money for her dream. Sometimes you don't need a loan to fund your dream. You just need to believe in your dream and be dedicated enough to do whatever it takes. Saving money gives your children a bright future. Every parent wants what's best for their kids, and if you have savings, you have a chance to make their dreams come true, to give them a head start without having financial struggles. This is to ensure that they get the best out of this life, and they get to live a more purposeful life without having to worry about money. They can start their businesses, they can follow their dreams, they can go to school if they want to. So if they have money, they have freedom to do anything in this world and be anything. Number 6, when you save money, you take advantage of compound interest. The longer you save your money, the more it gets to grow through compound interest. What I mean by that is that when you leave a certain amount of your money, or you make monthly contributions for a certain period of time, you get to earn compound interest. So you get to have money working for you and not the other way around. As they say that time is your greatest asset. Start saving early so that you can take advantage of compound interest, because that's when you get to get free money, even if it's not that much, but at least you didn't have to work for that money. My next video will cover the types of savings accounts you should have, so stay tuned. Always remember that financial education is the key to unlock money skills that helps maximize your opportunities and create wealth for yourself. This is the end of the video. Thank you for allowing me in your space and lending me your ear. Always remember that I love you. Have a lovely, productive day. Bye. See you on my next video.